news because we started .com. This is the first live for particularly these Facebook groups. Why started this Facebook groups? Especially whoever knows about cloud computing. See, nowadays technologies and future market, upcoming market is cloud computing simplified. So we would like to simplify your process of learning of cloud computing. These are the groups. We have a couple of mastermind team. So we are associated with the mastermind team. So we decided to open this Facebook group. Please promote these groups and subscribe this. Whoever wants to increase the knowledge in cloud computing. So today is the first, since it's the first live. So I would like to share some of the key points since we are working with some of the clients from all over the world, and even of course we are working with small capitals like venture capitals, whoever wants to acquire some small companies. So these are the 10 key points while considering the modern application requirements. So if you wants to start some applications, these are the 10 key points, main key points that you must consider while startup. See, first points is users. See, for example, a couple of clients they told no sir, we have the small student group. We are planning for 150 to 200 students. Of course it's your choice, no problem. But what we have considered is, see, nowadays market is global. We are connected together. Anybody now you can feel during this situation everybody connected globally. Last month our mentor reached 30,000 people just like that for 2 days live. So like that we have to consider the users of minimum 1 million users. Second point is, of course, we reached 1 million users means the data volume should be terabytes to petabytes. Everybody using uploading download videos, PDFs, ebooks, multi type of data they are uploading. So you have to consider the volumes is terabyte to petabytes. Third is locality, global. See, for example, we are using application for only this Bahrain region. Your application is not only Chennai, not only India. So now your application must be used globally. So you have to think global. Fourth is performance, microsecond latency. See, for example, this is a latency for I will give this. I would like to share some experience. My daughter today morning, she told, Appa, this application is going very slow, working slow. So shall I can transfer or go to some other similar applications like that? The children are thinking like that. So adults, of course, everybody is thinking they need a latency. Next, fifth point is request rate, million per second. See, for example, Amazon Web Service now is a Diwali function. Everybody access from all over the world to purchase something on online. So like that you have to consider millions. For example, learning management system at a time from all over the world will connected, access your data, access your content. So we have to think that. Next is sixth one is access. See, your application should be access for mobile, tab, laptop, even watch. So these are to consider. Your application should be access for every devices using internet. Scale, virtually unlimited. See, of course, you have to think this virtually unlimited. You have to see the process. Whoever the cloud giving the auto scaling groups, auto scaling access. So that is the main thing for scaling purpose. Next, 8th point is payment model. See, now
On it.
you don't want to.
Okay.
Don't want
I
to.
found this on the web for what is the main thing for scaling purposes.
Oh, I think it's Siri account. Okay, payment mode.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Sorry Siri, I'm in live. See, payment model, pay as you go. Now previously it was they will pay, ready to pay for infrastructure, your application charges. Now whatever they are using, they will ready to pay for that only. So payment model should be there. Developer access. See, 9th point is instance API. So you want to access, you want to
I'm not sure I
integrate.
understand.
You want to increase your, you want to integrate some other payment gateway. So if need, the developer need API access, that should be important. So finally, developments. See, for some of the applications and storage are decoupled. See, for example, nowadays mobiles are used 256 GB, 512 GB. So why your application using mobile storage or cloud storage. So you have to think these also. These are the 10 key points while considering your startup. And of course, if some other company wants to acquire some other startup, so these 10 key points must consider while main thing. These are points. Okay, don't worry. After live, I will share this image to you in our comments section. Thank you guys. Please share, and thanks for your blessings. Thanks for your valuable time to spend with me. Of course, this live is always there in our group. Please share. Whoever wants to knows about the cloud computing, we are ready to teach guys. Thank you once again.